Alright, so spoiler alert. Obviously, I bought something. We're going to be doing an unboxing video since most of the time I take it out and then show you. This one's going to be straight out the box. I haven't seen it yet, I haven't taken it off. The only thing I've done is cut the bands off of it and cut the tape. So, from first looks, the box is a little beat up. On this corner, it is torn. Looks like the pedal connector is sticking out. Doesn't appear to be damaged, but you'll find out. But just so it's shown, I don't have a picture of it, but I can snap this screenshot of a video if I need to. If anything happens to be damaged, I'm sure Everlast will replace whatever is damaged. Now, if you don't know what Everlast is, they make welders. This is my new AC/DC TIG machine. And after a good bit of research, I decided to go this route. Now, if you're curious, it does have a sticker that says this: Made in China to America. So, just like most everything else, they're manufactured in China. Now, with that said, my TIG machine I've been using is straight up China. It was an eBay purchase, and it's been decent, but I have a feeling moving to an actual good, better quality welding machine, I feel like hopefully my welds will improve, but I'll be able to weld aluminum more than anything, which if you watched the previous video with me fighting these CVF pulley setups, I'm leaning towards the path of moving to a manual rack as an easy and cheapest solution. I won't have to mess with my exhaust any. All I'll have to do is swap out the rack, pull out the power steering lines I have now, and I'll just run no power steering for the time being. And later on, I'm looking at maybe moving to an EPAX performance electric power steering, where it mounts an electric motor under the dash. And the downer is that is right a $1,500 kit. I have no clue why in the world that electric motor system costs $1,500, but that looks like it's probably going to be the path I'm going to end up taking. Just for simplicity and cleaning up the engine bay, it'll take a little bit of load off the engine from that one accessory, but more than anything, it frees up space. So, anyways, without rambling on more, on to the unboxing. So, let's see. Instructions? Yeah. Not gonna need those. So that sucks. I'm gonna have to change that because my plug that I'm running now is a 50 amp plug or something like that. It's a big 4-pin. All right, so nice packing material. We had the welder right on top. I'm gonna pull out this what looks to be the accessory box and set it on top and dig through it real quick. See if I can do this without this box falling apart. There we go. All right. And of course it's upside down. All together. All right. So along with this kit, this is a 210 EXT, I believe, and I don't know all the specs offhand, but it does pulse, it does AC/DC, TIG, it's also a stick machine, obviously. It comes with a pedal. I also opted to pay a little more to get some additional torches and an additional pedal, which I'm hoping is in this box. Like this flex line that's in here might be it, or they might not have shipped it. I don't know. We'll see, because this looks like the pedal that comes with it, although there is a no stick pedal. It does come with 2 torches. I think a 17 or 9. No, but 9 and 20. 17, 26, and 18. looking like I did not get my other torches unless they're buried somewhere. So anyways, the nice thing about this is it does come with a changeable plug. So it runs on 220 or 110. The downside is I might have to run another receptacle because I really don't want to cut that end off. And then it'll allow me to use this plug that comes with it. So I'll probably be going to Home Depot later and buying apparently an N650R receptacle. So then I don't have to cut this end off. So anyways, I'm just gonna toss this stuff, insulation, run this packing over here. Got a fancy carry handle, bolt that up. Plenty of pedal length, that's nice. Ground clamp. I don't know if I like these style ground clamps or not. I guess they're good or better, I don't know. Obviously the stinger for the TIG, or for the stick. More handles. So over here, out of the way. Gas line, I'm assuming, and should be the regulator right here. Yep, and a reg. So I've got a reg that has a back purge already, so that will end up going in storage. Trash. So it's looking like I got gypped on my extra pedal and my torches. So I don't know if it just didn't ship with this or what, so it looks like I'll be going to call Everlast. So on to the fun, which is trying to get this thing out of the box. I'm thinking probably installing this handle is going to be the best method. Alrighty. There we go. Sorry for the boring part. Watching me screw bolts in. Oh yes, much to do. Alright. There we go. Now this thing is not light. I think the box, all in all, on the package said it weighed 90 pounds. This thing's probably a good 75, 80 pounds of that. So, here's the machine. Nice little cover. All kind of lovely adjustments. Purge settings, amperage, pulse settings, hot starts, there's your mode set, AC wavelengths, all kind of lovely adjustments that I'll have to read up on how to use. Looks like we got QDs. That's for the gas, I'm assuming. Yep, gas outlet, control for the pedal. And TIG is positive earth, positive ground, whatever. And the TIG torch itself. This is, I mean, yeah, it's a fancy little cover. I guess it helps protect that, but I mean, it's cheapy, but no biggie. Overall, it's a good looking machine. I'm guessing that's for these little side handles, these screws here. On the back, we have power cord obviously here, gas outlet here, or gas inlet should I say actually, ground spot. And this here is actually a power outlet for water cooling, which I'll be buying later on. Obviously the breaker here. And obviously you see made in China. But yeah. So yeah, this is the green machine. And there's some specs on it, I guess. Power. It was actually inspected. That's nice. Initialed by who inspected, and looks like on January 20th this year it was tested. So yeah, I'll bring this to the back later, get it hooked up, and swap it out with my current one. I'll go to the store, buy another receptacle so I can wire that up. And yeah, get this bad boy hooked up. And I'm gonna go contact Everlast about my other torches, because I should have, like I said, an extra pedal and 2 torches. So instead of using these big bulky jean wrapped hoses, it'll come with nice, just braided lines. They don't have this double wrap. So I don't know why they came like that. Unless I'm missing something. Maybe it just swaps out the stuff that comes with it with these, because it's supposed to be just that braid. I don't think it's supposed to have this wrapping at all on it. At least that's how my one now is. So I guess I'll drop a comment on the video later and explain what happened or what became of it. Anyways, alright guys. Hopefully you'll be seeing some welding videos soon, especially if I have to do anything with my exhaust. Alright guys, thanks for watching.